My dear students, good morning. Children, in our previous session, we have completed translation of lesson number 6, Bhavtu Bharatam, and its glossary part. Now, in today's session, you will learn its exercise and page number 24. So, come on page number 23. Come on exercise part of lesson number 6. Come on the first question. Pronounce the following words correctly. Now here you are only supposed to read these words which you have already read it in the lesson. So first one is, you can also read with me. Shakti Sambritam. Then Yukti Sambritam. Then Karma Nashtikam. Shastra Dharakam. Last, Shastra Dharakam. Okay. Now come on question number 2. Fill in the blanks in the following sentences. Now you are supposed to fill in the blanks from the lesson. Whatever we have read, you have to find out its answer from that lesson only. So number 1, Karma Nashtikam. So you have already read it. Karma Nashtikam, Dharma Nashtikam. Then the second, Bharatam Bharatam, Bhavtu Bharatam. Then Shastradharakam, Shastradharakam. Next, Riti Sanskritam, Niti Sanskritam. The fifth one, Bhakti Sadhakam, Mukti Sadhakam. Okay. Now come to the next question. Write the following verses in good handwriting. So you are only supposed to rewrite these in the space provided. Question number 2. This one you will write as homework in your Sanskrit notebook, and this one only you will write in the textbook. Now come to the next one, 4th. Prepare the pairs of words, finding the words from the poem. Follow the illustrations. Now, according to the given illustration, like what you have already read in the poem, you are supposed to prepare the pairs or rhyming words which you are also you have learned even in English. Also you are using this type of questions. Okay, you are writing its answer. So here it is written that you prepare the pairs. So Shakti, Yukti, it is given one illustration. Now accordingly, whatever you have read in the lesson, now you are supposed to write in the space provided. So you have read in the lesson Shastra, Shastra. You have read Shastradharakam, Shastradharakam. So this you can write here as pair words. Then Riti Sanskritam, Niti Sanskritam. Niti Sanskritam. So Riti, Niti. Then you have learned Karma Nashtikam, Dharma Nashtikam. So Karma, Dharma. Then Bhakti Sadhakam, Mukti Sadhakam. In this way you have read. So here you can write Bhakti and Mukti or Mukti and Bhakti. Now come to the activity part. This question also you are supposed to write in your Sanskrit notebook. Textbook also and notebook also, both. Now come in the activity form, activity. Study the various characters collecting the books of the series Bal Bharati. This you are not supposed to do. Come to the next one. Prepare a manual of the patriotic songs. Children, here if you want you can write a patriotic song. It's not compulsory, but if you want you can write. Even if you want you can draw and color the pictures related to the song. Now come to next page, page number 24. Come on the activity part. Joining the dots complete the map of India. So only you are supposed to join the dot, and you will observe or you will find as such it is clear that it is the map of our country India. Then come to the Gyatvam part, that is the thing which you should know. So here also you are supposed to read with me and you are supposed to write in your Sanskrit notebook. Ghatah means pot. Garah means a series of pots. Taptika, packing pen. Peshni, grinding mill. Rajjuh, rope. Sharavah, kodyu. Sutram, thread. Manjusha means safe. Chashakah means glass. Now children, I hope that today's taught part must be clear to you. If you have any doubt then you can ask me. Okay, thank you children.